I'm a first-time voter.
It's my first time voting.
It's a very exciting experience.
We are the future.
The future depends on us.
Over 50% of India's population is under 30, and there are 18 million first-time voters in this year's general election. Here's what they had to say.
Being a working professional, I would want more job opportunities.
The values that aligned with who I voted for was someone who would, facilitate the farmers' needs because of the protests that have been ongoing in the country.
There's a bunch of priorities like unemployment, economic crisis in certain regions, and development mostly.
I need more development, more schools, education, hospitals.
Because I am a student, I do believe that job opportunities should come to the forefront when running this country.
I'm thinking on the basis that I want to vote for the opposition that way, because the democracy has to be a system of competition. It has to be dynamic. It doesn't have to be stagnant like right now.
I mean, the youngsters are the one who's gonna bear the burden of climate change, so they should be talking about it more.
The climate is changing really fast. As you can see, the weather, not just here, even in the places like Bangalore, which never used to get this hot or something. But now people are using ACs there.
In Delhi, of course, the pollution level increases every year.
I do think climate change isn't spoken much about in political discourse.
For me, I didn't feel like there was much talk regarding climate change.
I am disappointed because I do believe that climate change in the next couple of years will drastically change our country and the way we are living. For right now, it's 47 degrees. It's not livable conditions for anybody.
Actually, climate change is something that I've thought about, but not actually, it's not a main priority for me when I'm choosing a party, because it's a large-scale phenomenon, so it's not directly affecting me right now. So the main priority should be better quality of life for everybody rather than climate change.
Climate change including that in their agenda, doesn't make any immediate gains to politicians, so that's why they don't include it. But it's sad because climate change has been affecting our living conditions.
It should be like a huge part of the campaigning.